welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my, what is this month? September update for the painting club. This is a project with the PANtastic Ladies. This was created by Charlotte, and I'm excited because it's all about the Breakfast Club and the main characters from the Breakfast Club. This started on June 1st, ends November 1st. I had to look down at my spreadsheet because can't keep it all straight in this this crazy head of mine. So we have the characters, the brain, the athlete, the basket case, the princess, and the criminal. Y'all know who they are. If you've not seen the Breakfast Club, you live under a rock and you really need to go watch it. I loved this movie back in the day, absolutely loved it, and I am excited to be working on the project. Did I mention that this is a rolling project and my kids are crazy? Just those two things are facts. This is a rolling project and my kids are crazy. Can you hear my daughter? Whoosah. All right, let's get into this. I have 2 empties. I'm very excited by that. I always like empties. I have now finished 5 things in this project, though they seem to be the same 2 categories. And part of it is because some of the things that are in the other categories are not things that I necessarily want to work on, but I probably should. So we're going to ignore that my daughter is a little drama queen and get on with this. The empties are for the brain, and that is, oh, pardon me, I had like a little dry patch in my throat. Always have to have water. Water is your friend. Can you... She is having drama over absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. I thought putting on little Einsteins would do the trick. Clearly, it didn't. And it's calm. It is really calm. Multi-purpose product. I chose a brown eyeshadow because you can use it for anything. I like to use it to touch up like the sparse areas here on my hair. You can use it to bronze or contour, eyeshadow, eyebrows, you name it, you can use it. And use it I did. It is completely gone now. The other one is for the criminal, which is a product that makes you feel, a word that I'm not going to say on my channel, bad to the bone is what I'm going to say. You guys know what I mean. Fragrance makes me feel that way. I feel a little sassy, and I'm actually sad that this is gone, even though it was a men's cologne. This is Clean Reserve. Is it Reserve or is it just, it's Clean Men? And I really enjoyed this, like a lot. To me, even though it is a men's fragrance, it totally could be unisex, and I really liked it. It kind of has like a soapy smell to it. I don't know how to explain it. If you've never smelled it, it's really nice. Your man probably would smell good in it. All right. Let's move on to what I still have in here for the athlete. It is a product that's for fast-paced days you go to the gym, whatever. I chose the setting spray. It is the Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray. I was at this line right here last time. Now I am down here. I do think this will be done by the next update, so that'll be nice to have another empty. This one I actually did use this past month. But I need to use more. This is for, and I'm out of order, but clearly everything in my house is out of order. This is for the princess. It's a pretty or sparkly product, and it's both. It is pretty princess sparkly pink. They are rhinestones. I put them on my nails. They're huge. They are huge. And every time, like, I had them on my accent nails when I did purple, and I was like this all day long, feeling how huge they were on my nails. But I still need to use them up, so I will make more of an effort to use those this month. And the basket case, it's a product that is crazy and out of your comfort zone. I don't know how crazy it is, but it's definitely out of my comfort zone. This is a like dark silver gray eyeshadow, and yeah, I still haven't touched it. And I almost feel embarrassed as an avid panner, if I could speak properly. That I haven't touched this. It's like against the panning rules or something. I'm going to use it this month. I am going to use it. I have to use it at least once. My goal is to hit pan on it. I will use it this month. All right, I'm putting it out there. If I don't use it this month, then you can just put little like poop emojis all over my update next time, because I'll be a poo-poo head. That's right. Yes, strong language, I know, but it's a family channel. All right, I need to roll 2 products in since I finished 2. And I need to roll in a brain product, which is a multi-purpose product. And I did not choose another eyeshadow because we're down to the wire here. So I chose this Philosophy Pure Grace. This is a shampoo, bubble bath, and shower gel all in one. It's just a little guy. It is brand new. I think it still has the seal on it. It does. And I don't know if I will finish it by the next update because I am working on another shower gel, but it's in here and hopefully I will get to it. And for my criminal product, a product that makes you feel bad to the bone, I am using another men's product because my husband had gotten a gift sampler, probably from Sephora. It's got all these like small colognes in it. So I'm just using them all because he doesn't wear it ever, like any cologne ever. So this is the Bulgari Pour Homme Soir. I'm sure I butchered that. Looks like this. So I don't even know what it smells like. Oh, it's a pop-off. Ooh. Oh, I think I'm going to like that one. I think I'm really going to like that one. It's kind of, I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like clean and earthy at the same time. I'll like that one. But most of the Bulgari scents that I've tried, I really liked, so no shocker there. All right, I'm going to wrap this up because you guys are probably tired of hearing me ramble and my daughter scream like a banshee. So, yeah, I am going to put everyone that has joined in down there if you want to go check them out and show them some love. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.